Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the for of loop in the JavaScript. So let's start this tutorial. So for of is basically we are using that is similar to the map function for iterating an array. So let's take an example how we are going to iterate the array. Basic and map function, for each function and loop functions all are is this for iterating an array to get the desired values. So this is the one also example of the ECMA 6 JavaScript functionality that is for the for of to iterate an array. Okay, so let's take an example and const test array. We want to take an array and here we want niche names. Johnny. So these are the three names that we have added. Okay, let's we are going to iterate it. So we are going to add for. Okay, here we need to pass let element of which you want to iterate test array. So here you have to open the brackets and log console.log elements. This is the syntax. So we are going to run it. You will see Ramesh, Suresh, and John. So this array is iterable, and you can see that we are able to iterate an array, and we will get the desired values from it, right? So this is the use of the for of. So you can use it, and that's very easy, pretty much easy for that. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.